In this video you will learn how to set up a one-time use virtual card on Affirm. First, download or open the Affirm app. If you've not already downloaded the Affirm app on your device, go to the store and sign into your account, then navigate to the virtual card section. In the app, go to the virtual card section. If you do not see it, tap pay with one-time use virtual card. Enter your purchase amount, input the approximate total of your intended purchase. Affirm will assess your eligibility and provide an immediate decision. Add a card with your digital wallet. Once approved, you will receive a virtual Visa card. Add this card to your virtual wallet. This can be Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay for easy use. Then, use the card for your purchase. At checkout, select your virtual card from your digital wallet and complete the transaction as you would with any other card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.